Welcome to 4633 Village Drive, a hidden gem located in the middle of the most accessible and desired area of Dunwoody. This fabulous two-story classic brick home boasts 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths, plus a half bath on the main level. If you are looking for the perfect place to call home, this is it. As you enter the home, you are greeted by the impressive 2-story entry foyer and gleaming cherrywood hardwood floors. To your right, we'll find the formal living space. Straight ahead, you will find the bright and light formal dining room, the perfect spot for entertaining friends or family. Now let's head down the hall to the heart of the home with its open floor plan into the great family room with cozy fireplace plus an inviting sunroom, perfect for those quiet weekends at home. The quaint kitchen has white cabinets, spectacular granite countertops, a breakfast bar fit for 3, and of course top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances. Enjoy your morning cup of coffee from the perfect eat-in area, overlooking your park-like backyard. Now to the upstairs. At the top of the stairs, you will find the spacious loft, perfect for a home office or play area for kids. Head on to the master en suite with fabulous vaulted ceilings, plus inviting master bath with his and hers vanity, a jacuzzi tub, and oversized separate shower. The 2 additional secondary bedrooms are a perfect size with a large secondary bathroom. Now let's see the quiet tranquility of the backyard with its huge park-like grass area. Enjoy your flagstone patio, perfect for those weekend barbecues with friends or just sitting out and enjoying a star-filled evening. With easy access to 285 for a simple work commute, make no mistake, 4633 Village Drive is the perfect place to call home. For more information about this fabulous find, contact Marty Rothman at 404-352-5999.